Orange peel texture has been a very popular style of wall texture for many years. Its name is derived from its similarity to the rough texture of an orange peel and is commonly used in home construction because it is fast to implement and the texture itself hides any drywall seams, making the walls appear to be one solid piece. It is recommended that this technique be refined through practice on a piece of cardboard or other disposable surface area before attempting to texture any project. To determine the thickness of texture that will be sprayed, adjust the pressure and the hopper tip beforehand. In order to get an even texture look, hold the hopper as perpendicular to the wall as possible. The higher the pressure and the smaller the hopper tip, the smoother the texture will be. The lower the pressure and the wider the hopper tip, the rougher the texture will be. The end of this instructional section will cover how to take an orange peel wall texture and turn it into a knockdown style wall texture. The materials and tools that will be needed are a hopper sprayer, a sufficient amount of drywall spray mud, and a 12-inch taping knife. For small projects, some hardware stores sell electric hoppers that produce great results and are fairly inexpensive to own. Begin the project by filling the hopper with spray mud. Next, spray the wall, holding the hopper about 2 feet away from it. Remember to keep the hopper perpendicular to the wall. Cover the wall evenly with spray texture, making sure never to stop the hopper in one spot. Usually a small circular or side-to-side motion is used to ensure an even application of texture. If the texture is not sprayed evenly, scrape it off while it is still wet and begin anew. To create a knockdown style wall texture, spray a thick and chunky orange peel texture on the wall using low pressure and a wide hopper tip. Let the texture on the wall dry sufficiently, yet still be soft enough to slightly manipulate with your fingernail. Once the texture has reached this point, take a 12-inch taping knife and knock down the texture, flattening the peaks. Once the texture has dried completely, the wall or ceiling is ready to be primed and painted, and then the project is complete.